Let's make pasta. To achieve a straight spaghetti that is not sticky, this is the process that you have to undergo. After boiling it, you separate the water from the spaghetti. Thereafter, you put the spaghetti into you put cold water inside it. Okay, as you can see in this video, I pour back the spaghetti inside the pot and run a cold water inside. This cold water will help you to stop cooking at this moment. But because if you allow it or you put it in your sieve and allow it to stay while you prepare your sauce, this spaghetti will come out being soggy. So I don't want a soggy spaghetti. I want a spaghetti that is not sticky. So you have to run water through it. So after you've reached at this process, you have to go and start making the sauce. I know some persons will tell you that as you're preheating your spaghetti, you are making your sauce so that when the spaghetti has softened, you can take it direct into the sauce. I've tried that in countless times. It didn't come out too well at all. So I will not suggest that for anybody. Try this my process, you will like it better. So this is the process. If you watch the video, this is my normal process of frying my stew base. Put your onions, put your whatever you have. If you have garlic, if you have ginger, everything, thyme, curry, put them. You can add your tomato paste. Okay, so if you have tomato mix, you can proceed to add that as well. If you do not have, you can skip that part and also just make use of your tomato paste. Turn it into the oil, allow it to fry for some time. Then as you can see, you allow it to fry for some time before you add the tomato mix that you have. I'm using that tomato mix to add more color to the spaghetti. Okay, at this point I use soy sauce. Yeah, then I put my spices, so and every other thing, allow it to fry. The you cannot believe what happened. I did not know that I was not recording at this point. I was thinking I was recording, but I did not know it was not recording, only for me to find out later. So I've added all those things. Then put your vegetables. Here there is carrot, green pepper. Okay, so you allow it to boil by adding a little water so that it will cook. I don't want it crunchy because my children are eating this as well, so you allow it to tender a little bit. Okay, so when it has reached to your own preferred way, you can proceed to add the spaghetti. I've forgotten the olden ways that people cook spaghetti like jollof rice. That made me detest spaghetti so much that I did not eat it for a very long time. So after I know better, after thank God for internet, I know better. I know how to cook it. Spaghetti is one of my favorite meals. And even my children love it as well. So when you combine it very well and mix the sauce with the spaghetti, you will get the taste. The taste will come out. Okay. So this is what we eat this morning. This is what I prepare for them to carry as their lunch food. Apart from my children, I have other people living with me. We are like 5. So I have to share it among all of them this morning. This is how my morning goes every other day. It's very hectic. Motherhood motherhood is not easy. Motherhood is not easy. But all the same, give God the